Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I want to share with you a recipe that I really like. It's actually one of my favorites and it is super healthy and delicious. So you want to start out with some flour in a bowl. You want to add quite a bit of salt to that and then give it a quick mix. Next up, you want to go ahead and add the butter in chunks, and all the exact measurements are down below as always. Then you want to crumble up the dough, so make sure that you combine the flour and the butter. Next, you want to add an egg yolk. And 3 tablespoons of very cold water. You want to knead that into a dough and then let that sit in the fridge for an hour. So that's done. Next, you want to cut down your leek into rings. And you want to also cut down your dried tomatoes. You want to put the leek in a big pan with some butter. And when the butter is melted, you want to give that a quick toss. And then you're ready to add in the tomatoes as well. And you want to let that sit on low to medium heat for about 5 minutes. Then it should look somewhat like that, and you can set it to the side to cool down. After time's up, you want to take your dough out of the fridge and you want to put it into your pie or tart mold. Then you want to put the leek mixture on top and distribute it quite evenly. Now lastly, we're gonna do the sauce. You want to take some cream. You want to add 2 eggs, a little bit of salt, pepper, nutmeg, and give that a good mix. Now we sprinkle some thyme over the top of the quiche, and then you want to spread out the sauce. And you're ready to bake with 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. And then it should look like this. It tastes absolutely fantastic. I love the dried tomato in there because it's almost like a ham or something like that. So it's really perfect, and I hope you give it a try. Bye!